Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 save issue. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So in this video, I'm going to show you three possible ways on how you can fix it. So first is to enable or turn off the Steam Cloud Sync. So to resolve Baldur's Gate 3 not saving or similar issues, you should turn off the Steam Cloud Sync or re-enable it. So this method is the most successful one that you can try right now. So these are the steps on how you can do that. So first, open your Steam and then navigate to the game library. And then right click onto the Baldur's Gate 3 and go to the properties and just make sure that you are on the general tab. And after that, toggle the switch off next to the keep game saves in the cloud in the Steam Cloud for Baldur's Gate 3 under the Steam Cloud section. So it is this right here as shown in the picture in the photo, and using the file explorer, just locate this following directory right here, and after that you can delete this folder, and after deleting just relaunch the Steam. So you can consider enabling the cloud sync on Steam after resolving the. However, if it returns, repeat the steps again and leave the Steam Cloud feature disabled. And the next what you can do is to turn off OneDrive. So tend to keep OneDrive turned off all the time, so you can also do that. And it is one of the main reasons why you might encounter syncing problems, so such as the Baldur's Gate 3 can save game syncing problems. So these steps right here are the steps that you'll need to follow for you to be able to turn off your OneDrive. So first, just press the Window plus X on your keyboard to open the power menu and go to the Task Manager, and then go to the Start Up Apps tab. And after that, select OneDrive. So as you can see right here, and then click on to disable. And after that, just reset your PC. And then next, what you can do is change a DNS. So besides the fact that changing the DNS can improve the internet performance and fix the Baldur's Gate 3 save game syncing problem, changing your DNS can also help you increase security and protect your privacy. So to do that, first press your window plus I to open your window settings, and then navigate to the network and internet and click on Wi-Fi or Ethernet. After that, click on to the edit next to the server assignment and select manual and enable IPv4, and then set the DNS addresses to 48s, and then is next is the 42 and then 48s, and then click on to save. After doing so, and then you can now restart the window. So changing DNS could have been effective solution to the Baldur's Gate not saving back, and unfortunately there is no permanent fix released right now. And so that's it for this video. And remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.